Hi everyone, I'm Marzina. Welcome to this quick 12-minute Aqua Abs workout. No equipment needed and perfect for all fitness levels. This session is just a small taste of what you'll find on my On-Demand Aqua Workouts platform, where I offer full-length, fun and effective water workouts. Try these few moves today. And if you love it, don't forget to take advantage of the 7-day free trial to explore everything the platform has to offer. You'll find the link on the screen and in the description below. Position yourself close enough to the wall that you can touch it with your hands. Now on your exhale, push your arms back and push your feet forward toward the wall at your knee level. You will not be floating or flipping to your back. You are either in a standing position or floating seated position. I want you to push those arms back with a lot of force because we're gonna target back muscles along the way. What's very important is that you fully exhale every single time when your feet are about to touch the wall. This is how you effectively strengthen your core. Exhale, push. Do it again. Any tempo will do, as long as you are fast on the way up and forceful with your arms. We will try to do anywhere from 25 to 30 reps per exercise. And I know it's, we all gonna do it in a different tempo. But you definitely you don't wanna go too slow, okay? So quite challenging, although we're not in a hurry really. We got so much time to do it right. And great form, great technique is what we wanna prefer over speed. Yeah, keep your lower back, your spine neutral. Don't bend it, don't twist it. There's really not much movement happening here from our spine. We're gonna do about 5 more, and then I will show you how we can modify this exercise just a little bit to target obliques. Instead of rectus abdominals and lower abs, we're gonna take care of those obliques. So that's our last one, and now watch this. We will be firstly twisting a little bit from side to side just to feel those obliques. And now you're gonna do the same twist when you are pushing your feet back to the wall. The same arm moves. What's very important when we add rotation move is that we really engage core, deep core muscles to support the rotation. My friends, our spine loves to be moved. But let's be honest, it has some limits to where it's safe and where it's too much. And usually when you keep your core engaged, it will limit the movement, the unnecessary twisting or bending. Other than this, same rules. Yeah, we can do a couple more twists. Very important that you exhale every time your feet are just about or touching the wall. And also, you keep your feet somehow at your knee level, maybe slightly above. But you don't want to push them up to the surface of the water. Unless you're exercising at the knee water level, which would be very unlikely. No, it would be impossible. I really like this segment because it's so easy to follow. You can position your camera on the side of the pool. We can see each other, hear each other, and there's a lot of repetitions that makes it easier too. The entire workout, actually, we've done a lot of reps, guys. 3 minutes per exercise is a lot, and it can get boring sometimes, but these workouts are most effective. So it's awesome how you're gonna feel how good this workout is tomorrow. Your body also almost don't want to do the same stuff again just because it needs to recover from it, which is a very good sign. Okay, this is gonna be the last one or two, and I'll take a look what's next. Now we're gonna position our palms on the side of the wall, and we're gonna do scissors, about 30-25 reps. We are touching down the bottom. I know you cannot see it here. I think the camera floated up a bit, but I'm touching the bottom with my toes every single time. Notice the spine. There's no movement here. We're just engaging the core, and we protect that spine again from over movement, over twisting, anything unnecessary here. These leg moves don't need to be huge, just good range of motion where you feel my legs are challenged, my core muscles are challenged with what? With holding this position and allowing legs to continue, right? Deep core muscles are actually helping us quite often to do other moves safely and effectively. And also make sure you breathe. Just find a good breathing pattern for this one. You're probably gonna inhale on one side and exhale with the other leg moving up. These are the final few before, look, we start to float. Can you do floating wall scissors for about 30 reps? Yep, these are much faster. A bit smaller range of motion here. You no longer touch the bottom. If you can do the whole 30 without touching the bottom, wonderful. But if not, see how many you can do before you have to touch the bottom and then do it again. Keep going. If necessary, absolutely shoot for a couple breaks in between. We have so much time. It's a tense exercise, yeah? I love floating scissors, by the way. I think when I teach classes, this exercise is always there. And oh boy, it shapes those thighs, right? Ooh, good stuff. Okay, give me final 4. And then relax. I would love to show you what else we can do here. This time holding the wall, we're gonna do kicks away, and here we have few options. I want to put it together with burpees. So you're kicking your feet away from the wall, and then you're pushing your feet into the wall. You can kick away a bit higher, but then once your feet are pushed to the wall, it's again slightly below your knee level. You can hold the wall with both hands or with just one. This is optional, and I know everybody likes it different, so experiment a little bit. This is, by the way, level 1 for what I eventually want to show you. Look at this. Burpees. Corner burpees. You touch the wall, and then without touching the bottom, you kick away. Your other hand, the one that's free, that's not holding the wall, is dragged pretty much in the opposite direction that your feet will move. You can move it along with the movement, but look, once you start dragging your hand away, oh boy, how effective this will be for your obliques. We'll repeat this a few more times so you will have a chance to go step by step again in just a moment. Touching down, yep. If you like the floaty version altogether, then skip the touchdown. But I like to do like 15 with touchdown and then 15 without. This takes time though to learn, and don't be surprised if it's going to be a little awkward on one side and a lot of fun on the other side. Especially if you have a lot of body imbalances, then that's what you're gonna experience. All right, I'm floating again. How you doing? Do you guys feel that at the end of workouts we get this boost of energy somehow? I guess we love aqua, but we're also happy when it's over. This one is so cool. I feel like Superwoman. Ay, ay, ay. And sadly, this side is almost completed. We'll obviously want to go and switch side, but we also want to go step by step. Again, about 25 to 30 reps. I'm not touching the wall here, but I'm touching the bottom. So burpees, corner burpees with touch down and kicks away. And I'm floating again. Dragging the arm, especially if you're wearing gloves, you're really gonna feel the power of it. Yes, I feel with gloves it's even better because it helps you float better, but it's also more challenging for your upper body and obliques. I picked a wonderful music for this workout. That's why I like to shush myself from time to time so you guys can enjoy it. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit more here. Let's shake it off, and come back to the touchdown version for a little bit. Maybe the first set of 8, and then switch to floating if you can, if you want. It is advanced version though. I'm floating again. How you doing, my floating friends? You know, this wonderful pool that I have a pleasure to exercise in today is my dear friend's pool, and I couldn't be more grateful for her allowing me to do it. It was so much fun. It's perfect, and the water temperature is so amazing. I hope you enjoyed this quick aqua abs routine. Remember, this was just a sneak peek. The full-length version is waiting for you on my On-Demand Aqua Workouts platform. Thanks so much for splashing by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the free trial link in the description. I'll see you in a pool.